Hey guys, it's Amber from DoMyOwn.com. Today we're going to be talking about Pendulum 2G herbicide. It's a selective pre-emergent herbicide that you can use spring and fall to cover over 40 different grassy and broadleaf weeds. Pendimethalin, the active ingredient in Pendulum 2G, is labeled to prevent a variety of weeds like henbit, foxtail, goosegrass, clover, and crabgrass. Pendulum is popular with homeowners and lawn care professionals because it can be used in a variety of turfgrass species as well as over 300 ornamentals. Because Pendulum is a pre-emergent herbicide designed to prevent weeds, you'll need to apply it before weeds begin germinating. It will not kill weeds that have already grown. Apply in late summer or early fall to prevent winter annual weeds, and in early spring for summer annual weeds. Before you get started, be sure that you're reading the label and following all instructions for safe use. This includes checking the PPE to make sure you have on closed-toe shoes and socks, long pants, gloves, and any other protective equipment that it may suggest. Pendulum is used at the rate of 75 to 100 pounds per acre. This comes out to be about 2 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Be sure that when you're going to apply the Pendulum that you calibrate your spreader before applying it to make sure that your application rates are accurate to the label and your turf type. To make sure you get even coverage over your yard, be sure to walk back and forth to get the granules in all the different areas where the weeds could hide and get it well down to the soil. Don't forget when you're applying the Pendulum to your yard to check for any overspray on the granules that may have gotten onto sidewalks or driveways. Be sure to use a broom to sweep these off and make sure that no granules are left to potentially stain. Pendulum does need to be watered in to be activated, much like many granules on the market. Pre-emergents need to get down in the soil to create the barrier that you need, or essentially a wall in the soil to keep the weeds from coming up. Be sure to water either with a water hose or sprinkler, or if you're expecting a rain later that day, you can use Mother Nature to water it in as well. Pendulum needs about a ½ inch of rainfall to be sufficiently watered in for the results and to last the full time that it should. During the fall, a lot of people are doing yard renovations. They're looking to put new grass seed down, fill in bare spots, or any type of areas that might need a little extra love. If you're looking to do seeding, you have to be sure that you're paying attention to the timing on the labels to make sure that your pre-emergent does not inhibit the growth of your grass seed. If you're putting the seed down first, you want to make sure that the turf has come up and been established and has been mowed at least twice or has been up for 4 to 6 weeks before any type of pre-emergent can go down. If you have already put your pre-emergent down and you're looking to seed, you're going to need to wait at least 3 months for the pre-emergent barrier to work its way out of the soil and no longer inhibit the grass seed growth. While Pendulum is labeled for use in a lot of different areas, there are some restrictions on it, just like most products are going to have. Pendulum can be used in turf and ornamentals, but it's not for use in greenhouses, and it also cannot be used within any edible vegetation. This includes vegetable gardens and fruit trees. As with any lawn application, you want to make sure that you're following good practices to keep your lawn as healthy as possible. We don't want to apply when the conditions are not going to be favorable, like extremely wet lawns or ones that have extreme cold or extreme heat that can put the turf under more stress in addition to the chemical application that you're putting down. Head on over and hit that subscribe button and then check out our other DIY and how-to videos. Thanks for watching.